Hi, to enable dual SIM always on Samsung Galaxy S25, just open phone settings. From here, choose connections. Then you would need to pick SIM manager and scroll all the way down to pick more SIM settings. And now on top, you should see dual SIM always on. To enable, you would need to tap on this section and then tap on the switcher, which will look like that, to simply enable this feature. So the switcher would be blue. But in my case, as you can see, this tab is unavailable. That is because I got only one SIM card inserted in the phone. In your case, you could always tap here and tap on the switcher so it will light up blue and be enabled. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.